Hey lovelies, my video appears again on your screen through your FYP page. Based on popular demand, I have decided to make a video of how you can DIY your torn lace closure and frontal wig. In order to get it done, you need these three major tools. 1. You need sewing needle. And 2. You need ventilating net. And also, you need invisible thread. Now let the work begin. As you can see, I am trying to lose the unsuccessful surgery my clients did to this wig. But wait, oh, did rats shop this lace? Cause I don't really understand. I don't get it. How? Okay, here I finished loosening the net. I'm trying to remove all the thread, the particle away from it. So now let's move on to sewing part. In this part, I need you to pay attention. Carefully watch how I am placing the direction of the net. Reason for this is because the original lace may have parts, for example like center parts. If you place your net wrongly, you will not be able to get your parts well aligned when you want to ventilate. Now it is time to sew. Carefully watch how I am sewing and also the direction to guide you whenever you want to sew your own. Also secure your net with pin. Please make sure you use office tiny pin. Do not use T-pin. Do not use T-pin because you wouldn't want to create unnecessary hole or you tear your net. While you watch the sewing part, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to follow, subscribe for more educating videos like this. Now that the sewing part is done, the next is to remove the pin and cut out the excess or unwanted lace out. Guys, look at how neat and gorgeous the semi-final looks like. Now that I'm done with the sewing part, the next is to turn back the wig, wear it on mannequin for ventilation. The next I'm doing is looking for the areas that has holes and start filling them up. Please don't ventilate more than 2 strands of hair. Let it appear or look as natural as possible. See how natural and beautiful the outcome. Let me know in the comment section if this video be of help to you. And don't forget to like, share, also follow, subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.